Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to change a cabin air filter in a 2009 Honda Civic. Here we go. Okay, first what you want to do is you want to open up your glove box and take everything out, because you're going to be taking you're going to be tipping it out. So the next thing you want to do is you want to push in the sides inwards, then push out, and then let it dangle there. There's that part. So what you want to do is, see where I'm putting my fingers there towards the center? You want to hit those in from the sides and then pull it out, because there's little clips on each side, so you pull it out right here. Keep it in mind that this definitely needs to be changed, and that, see those arrows there? Those arrows mean that's where they should be when you put it back in. Okay, so let's take the old one out and the new one in. Notice how the arrow points towards the very side. So to the right hand side there. Okay, so you take the old one, just plug it out. Then here's the trickier part. Remember that arrow on the side of the cabin air filter is towards the right hand side. Okay, so what you want to do is this is a bit of a tricky part. What you want to do is you want to take out the flap there and kind of wedge it in between the plastic thing on the very sides of the cabin air filter. Here's what you want to do. You want to do the opposite side as well. You just flap it out and kind of go between the very end to the very first flap in the and you want to test it, make sure it's in there good. If it's in there, then you did it well. Put it back in how you have it. Remember, those arrows are right there, they're pointing down, so you got to put it in the right area. And of course, the last thing you want to do is you want to push in the sides and put it back where it was. And of course, just check to make sure everything's okay, make sure it closes, and yes it does, and we're pretty much done. Thanks guys for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.